This video will demonstrate how to process the CMPT Proficiency Testing samples for COVID-19. I'm going to be using the Abbott Panbio Rapid Antigen testing kit. So you will receive a sample in a tube like this, and you will receive 60 microliters of sample in each tube. It is important that you have all the reagents at room temperature before you test. I'm going to be using the nasopharyngeal kit, and you'll have one tube, a swab, and a cartridge, and we have an extraction buffer here. So we're going to add 10 drops of an extraction buffer to the tube. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then I'm going to be opening the cartridge. Cartridge has a port for the sample, and then is the testing window where I see the results. I'm going to take the sample with the swab. I'm going to rotate the swab, trying to absorb all the sample. You'll see the sample, the tip of the swab. And now I'm going to put it in the tube with the buffer. I'm going to move the swab up and down and rotate it a few times. And then I'm going to squeeze it between my fingers. I'm going to squeeze the walls of the tubes, and I'm just going to squeeze the liquid from the swab. I'm going to break the swab, and I'm going to cap the tube. It is important that it is tight, otherwise the sample will run from the bottom when I open the cap. I'm going to add 5 drops on the sample board. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I'm going to put a timer for 15 minutes. So this has been 7 minutes, but already you can see the control band, the top band, and the bottom band is the test band. There is a lighter band there, but any band that you can observe in the testing region has to be considered positive. So this is a medium positive for the proficiency testing samples that we send, and you should be getting this or stronger results. This is it. You don't need to take all the sample from the tube. As you can see, I still have some sample there. If you can collect everything, it's fine, but if there are a few drops there remaining, you should still get a positive result with the sample. Thank you, and thank you for watching.